Harbor and Philmont Harbor.
Absolutely
Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts.
This is the highest
Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous
view
scenes.
of the Matterhorn from
Take
this
safe
angle is
harbor
the
immediately.
iconic postcard profile.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Mill Lake Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Mill Lake Harbor out to Mid Lake. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until midnight. At 10:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from East Chicago to Chicago Heights, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Downton, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, Chesterton, Steger, South Holland, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, and Richton Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
According to